I just bought that at Palm Beach International Airport.
If you want to reach over there and grab one while I introduce this, knock yourself out. Go for the ones on the cutting board and go
right
for
back.
one in a package.
Go for the one in a package.
And if you want OG, they're if you want the original, they're over on the right-hand side. That's the key lime.
My fave.
Perfect.
Key lime.
All right. You can put it in your little pocket and have it for the drive home. Lisa Lasorte is a member of our Temptation Scenes, works right alongside Tara Tescher, and brings us something just in time for Patriotic celebrations, a Patriotic tiered cake plate. Now, this could either be a cake plate or it could be a dessert tier, right?
Yes, that's exactly right. And it's like a 2-in-1. Like everything that you get here is so perfect for elevated serving, for getting things up off your table. But here's the brilliance of it, the way that Tara did it. This is 2 elevated servers in one. So look at this. Can you take that one? I love this. So you're going to start with that 13-inch pedestal right there. We call it a cake plate, but it can be for any elevated serving. This is our patriotic pattern, which is the fireworks, and then our beautiful, iconic old world flower. And then I'm just gonna tip it so that we can see right there. Look at the beautiful base with the polka dots and then the flower as well. 13 inches, about 3 inches bigger than a dinner plate when you think about size. Then if you want to, use them together, and you can stack this one on top. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at the star-shaped bottom right there. Again, elevated serving up off your table.
And then we have a little finial to go on top.
How cute.
That is loose, that you can complete the look there. All lovely, and
wow.
with everything in place, the height on this is, checking,
Good question.
a lot. What I have is the dimensions of the plate, the small plate, and the decorative star. The star itself is 4.1 inches.
Got it.
Okay.
It's a nice height for your table.
If I were
That's
to
what we love.
guess,
Oh, don't ask me.
about a foot.
About a foot.
About a foot.
Sounds about right. That
It might
sounds good.
might be better than me trying to add up all those numbers, and then that may not be right either. But yeah, it looks to be about a foot tall. What I love about this is that you can put sweet, savory, hamburgers, hot dogs on here.
Sure.
We do have the little companion bowls and plates available as a separate purchase.
Yes.
So if you want to pick those up, well, that's honey mustard.
Look at that. Amazing, right?
For a second, I thought it was peanut butter. All right. It's gonna be like, that's impressive. This is Alan Rosen's ice cream strawberry shortcake
Exactly.
cheesecake.
Love. I haven't tasted it, but I saw it the other day cut,
So
and it
good.
looked ridiculously
Peach
good.
pies.
So good. Think about whether you pick these things up at a bakery or whether you actually made them yourself. This is how we use them separately. So we have the Junior's cheesecake, and we have the pie over here. And then over here, we did them separately as well.
For hors d'oeuvres, right?
For hors d'oeuvres. And as you know, David, this is the only time of year you can get the patriotic pattern.
Yeah,
and
it's a
we
seasonal
are
pattern.
retiring this set as
And
well.
this particular one is at a clearance price. So that means that Tara is taking it out of the rotation, not making it again.
That's correct.
So what we're doing is taking a top shelf item that would ordinarily sell on QVC at $80.32, and we're marking it about half price.
It's amazing.
It's $41.32 less.
It's amazing. And we do this every year. We do a cake plate, we do it seasonally, and then we retire it because we bring out a new one next year. But a couple of design pieces right here. I want to show you how easy it is to grab this at the bottom because this is a 3-dimensional star right here. So now I can pick it up, I can pass it around. It's really easy. I could put hot on here or cold on here. I'm not going to put these in the oven, okay? But I can put hot or cold things on here. And then, boy, this is a charcuterie board that is really brought to life.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
And if you're doing anything for 4th of July this year, I typically have a little get-together, and I have some trays catered, and then I ask everyone to either bring an appetizer or dessert. And this is ideal for either, right?
I love this, yes.
And so, and Lisa's been to my parties many times, and she'll bring a Temptations dish, and then she'll say, just keep the dish.
I do.
I've got all the dishes you've left me, and they're fantastic, and I use them over and over again. This is fantastic. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Everybody is looking for something that is unique and purposeful.
Yes.
This is that item that is going to be so, so important. Don't miss out on these because they're going very quickly. A lot of you are making your choice. Let's turn him over just one more time.
Perfect, sure.
And what
look
you're
at
going to
this.
love is that this is so versatile and so multifunctional. That's one of the reasons that we're always able to bring you something so special and so
How
right.
beautiful that is.
Don't miss out on this. We're very, very excited about this one. And also, just the right price. This is nearly half price.
I think of what you would pay for one glass cake plate, just one. This is hand-painted
It's
stoneware.
actually over half price.
Crazy. It's crazy.
It's less than half.
You know what would look so pretty? You do those beautiful flameless candles. Wouldn't that be so pretty to put on here? Pop the little star right in the center.
So
Great
nice.
for home decor as well.
Really perfect. Don't miss out on this. This is all coming your way, so don't miss out on it. You know who comes up after me? I see him across the way. Steve Doss comes up after me.
Oh.
Are you coming up after me, Steve, today? What do you have? Oh, you have a motorcycle? He looked at me and went, "Rum, rum, rum." I was like, Evie Ryder. You say potato, I say potato. Exactly. Hey, you're coming up a little later with my baker.
With your fave.
I love this baker. I asked